is my Ashford Knitter's Loom Stand, and I'm going to show you about how long it takes to take it apart, and then I'll put it back together again, so you have an idea. Okay, so it's all together. Ta-da! It's all apart. You can also store it. I usually put the I put these back on just so they're where they belong, because I don't want to lose them, and I think if they're screwed on there, you know, I don't have to store a little bag or anything that way, because right now I don't have a bag for them. And I have a headband, a little headband, hair headband, and I can just take that and give it a twist, and it mostly keeps the boards together. I can tuck them behind a door or whatever. They take very little room. And if I layer these the right way, these don't even make it stick out. So, okay, so that's a part. And now, in order to put it together, it's pretty darn easy. Just go the other way. So, make sure you put these so your loom rests in it. That's the bottom. Oops. And of course things like that are going to happen, so that'll give us a real time. Because quick, I'm not necessarily. Because my hands are lame and stuff, so. Necessarily the fastest person in anything. Washer, oops, and one more. There we go. That's about how long it takes to set up the Ashford Knitter's Loom Stand. I like it nice and tight, so it's quite sturdy. There you go. Knitter's Loom Stand. Taken apart, put back together.